Graham here from Dispatch Plumbing. We're in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, just installing some pool drainage for a dunk pool for Novero Homes. Right over here we've got the 30-inch by 48-inch sanitary sump. Every pool in Vancouver requires a sump, so the pool will drain into there. And then the ABS drainage through the trench here ties in to the sanitary sewer over at the front of the house. So this is where the dunk pool is going to get crane lifted into place. And we've got the pool boiler and equipment. It's going to go up here on this pad. We've got the gas line pressure tested for the inspection. It's at 15 pounds. We've got it backfilled with caution tape and sand. The gas and the drain for the pool come around the corner through this trench. All the way down the side of the house, they tie back into that sump. And we've got the gas that's going to tie into a gas line we roughed in 6 months ago.